Alright, let's look at the homework 10.6, problem number 1. Alright, so let's find the, let's see, so you have f of x is 2x cubed minus 4, and x1 is 1, and we want to find x2 and x3. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so the derivative is pretty easy. You take the derivative, so you're going to get the 6x squared. And that was it, right? So we have that, right? Then what we need to do is, to find x2, so x1 is 1 minus f of 1 divided by f prime of 1, right? So we have that. Then let's see, so f of 1 would be, if you plug in 1 here, so you're going to get 2 minus 4, so that's negative 2. So it's going to be negative 2, so it's going to be plus 2. And f prime of 1 is going to be 6. So this is going to be over 6. But the 2 over 6 is same thing as 1/3. Right? Then this is going to be 1 plus 1/3 is 4/3. Right? So let's check the answer. Right? Alright, so it came back and we got the first step 1 and step 2 correctly. Alright, let's look at step 3, and we want to find the x3. So to find that, it's a 4/3 in there. Alright, then minus, alright, we have to do f of 4/3 divided by f prime of 4/3. Alright, so I'm going to cheat a little bit here. I'm going to bring out a calculator, or GeoGebra, I should say. Alright, so we define f of x is equal to, which was 2x cubed minus 4. Alright, and I'm going to just make this guy a little bit bigger here. Alright. Alright, so it looks a little bit better. Alright, then we're going to do n of x is equal to x minus f of x divided by f prime of x. Alright, so we have that. Alright, so we already found f of x2. x2 came out to be 4/3, so we have that. Now all we have to do is x3 is n of x2. So it comes out to be that. Alright, so let's type that in. Alright, so we have, alright, so 1.26. So this should be the right answer, so 1.26. And then let's check the answer here. Alright, as you can see that we got the wrong answer. So I looked into this problem, and I think the system has a different precision. They're actually asking for 2 decimal places. They're asking for actually a little bit more in reality. So if I'm changing the rounding to maybe 5 decimal places, I have 1.26389. So I'm going to put that instead. So we're going to add the 389. So let's check the answer. All right, submit for testing. All right, it came back and it gives me the right answer. So for number 1, I think they're asking for 5 decimal places instead of 2. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.